Hi, my name is Greg Whelan, Marketing and Product Manager for Apex Medical Limited. Today I'm going to show you how to use the knee brake and the leg lift through the hand control to vary the angles of the mattress platform on the leg lift. To introduce you to a couple of key features on the Pro Bario Bed. Firstly, I'm going to show you and give you an orientation of the handset, and then we're going to talk about the knee brake and the leg lift and how we use that using the handset. So firstly, on the left hand side of the handset we've got a set of buttons, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buttons, and they're all pointing in an upward arrow position. On the right hand side we also have the 5 buttons, and apart from the bottom one, all the arrows are pointing down, so 4 arrows down. The bottom section is for Trendelenburg, so you'll be up on the foot end or up on the head end, hence why you've got both of those operating there in an upward position. Then we have on the second row from the bottom, we have the bed height. We also then have auto profiling. Then we have the leg lift and the backrest. And what we want to concentrate on today is this second row here. Now we've had an orientation around the handset. Using the second row of buttons from the top, we're now going to start the knee brake and the leg lift sections, and we're going to raise the knee brake. To do that, we use the upward arrow on the left hand side. So let's press that. The motors are engaging, and you can see this is the knee brake, and it's raising around a pivot point, and a second pivot point is attached to the leg lift. So as this raises, it will achieve from the horizontal here approximately 48 degrees. The mattress platform here is sat on rollers on the left and the right hand sides. Those rollers in turn run along a welded plate on the frame here. So this is the bed frame and this is the mattress platform. So those are rolling and supporting the weight of the user. So using the handset, if we then want to change this angle, and we've got 7 different angles including this resting angle. So this is currently minus 26 degrees, as I say, from this horizontal point, so going down there. So if I then lower the knee brake, and you'll hear that first click, I then raise the knee brake, and what we've done is actually change this angle from here from minus 26 to now minus 22. So there's actually a gap underneath the roller between that and the bed frame. If we then lower and hear the second click and then raise, we then change this to minus 20. So we've gone up 6 degrees. Lower the bed again, and we heard the next click, and this has now taken us to minus 16. So if we continue through to the next click, that takes us to minus 12. And if I raise this all the way up for a second, you can see how this angle is flattening out quite substantially. We'll drop it down again, and we should have 2 more angles to go through. And that is minus 8. These are all nominal numbers, but these should be more or less where you'll see them. And we drop 1 more. And again, the rollers are just moving along the frame. And that's the final notch. So there's 6 notches in the ratchet system. And I'll raise this all the way up so you can see how it's very close to horizontal. So horizontal, that is minus 4 degrees from the horizontal here. So it's very close to horizontal. The plus side of this in this position, obviously for the users who are suffering with swollen ankles, feet, calves, maybe lymphedema sufferers, this enables to reduce the swelling because you're raising the feet and the legs. You could also, using the Trendelenburg function that we identified on the hand control, which is the bottom buttons, you could raise the head end, and you could also raise the backrest, and you could create a semi-seated position. So there's a few ways that you can use this. But now what we want to do is get the mattress platform back to a lying position. So you literally press the right hand side of the second row of buttons, and you'll see now it's lowering the mattress platform, so the knee brake and the leg lift, and in turn that will just roll across, and it's then zeroing out effectively the ratchet system. So when I come to raise the bed again, just using the up system, it'll go back to the fully folding, that -26 point. And just to show that and demonstrate it, I'll just run through that process for you. By using the handset, it's taken any difficulty. You could do this manually by lifting the mattress platform, but obviously from a manual handling and a moving handling perspective and for patient comfort, we strongly recommend then that caregivers use the handset to do that.